Hey everybody, it's Neil, and my goal today is going to be to replace these filters in my Tesla, and it looks like it comes with our instructions. We got our two filters here for the replacement over there, a little pry tool, and our little wrench to open up the screws, because they are those star bit screws. So we're going to give this thing a try. I'll aim you guys down there. I'm not sure you're going to be able to see much because it's so dark. And I don't think I have, oh, I do have a flashlight somewhere here. Here, I'll aim this and see if that'll help. Oh. You know what I do? Or, I don't remember how to turn this flashlight on. I know how to turn it on, but I don't know how to keep it on. Ah, there we go. Okay. So maybe you guys can see that. I'll aim it there from here. Let's see if I put it this way maybe. Okay, so maybe you guys can see what's going on here. Okay, so we're gonna have to take off this panel here and pop out a couple of these things up here, I think is what it was. Let me see. Let's see what it says to do here. I've done it before, but I can't remember. Remove the front passenger floor and slide the seat backward. You will see 4 latches on the cover under the glove box. Gently pull back to remove the cover. So let's see if I can do that here. Oh, let's see. Well, I'm gonna need the light for myself. Okay. Okay, so we got that cover down. Now we gotta take this off. So this we just kind of pull off like this. And I will put that aside. See, there we go. Now we have it uncovered and we can see all our stuff in there. I can see that we have to do this one here. Just a single screw that I'm doing here. There it is. So here I am pulling out the old ones. Here's one, and then it comes up. Out the second one. There we go. So now both of these are out. And then, I don't know if you saw where it was coming from, just that little hole back there. So now I have to just put these new ones back in, seal it off, and I'm done. Okay, so here we go. So, put one in. Where's my flashlight? Okay, we've got those two in. Now we got to put the little cover back on. Screw it on. Now, got it screwed on. Now I can just put this panel back. So we just line it back up again where it came from, which is only one way to go. Okay, that's on. Now we just put this back up there, and it's got those little pieces on it. So, I don't know what to do with them all. Here's two. Let's put them up. Okay, so there we go. It's all done. Got my tools. I'll put back in my seat, whatever it's called, floor mats. And now I have new air filters. Not too bad. 9 minutes. Not too bad. Thumbs up.